In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw trend lines on Bitfinex. Trend lines are one of the most commonly used tools in technical analysis. They can help you visualize the direction of the market by connecting important price highs or lows, making it easier to identify trends and potential areas of support or resistance. To get started, open the trading interface and display the chart for the trading pair you want to analyze. Once the chart is open, look for the Drawing Tools toolbar in the left side of your chart. From the available drawing tools, select the Trend Line tool. After selecting it, move your cursor onto the chart. To draw a trend line, click once at the point where you want the line to begin. This is often placed on a significant swing low when drawing an upward trend line, or on a major swing high when drawing a downward trend line. Next, move your cursor to the second point where you want the trend line to end. Then click again to place it. The line will automatically appear, connecting the two selected points across the chart. If the line isn't positioned exactly where you want it, simply click on the trend line to select it. You can then drag either endpoint or move the entire line until it aligns with the price action you're analyzing. You can continue adding additional trend lines to mark different support and resistance levels or highlight multiple market trends. And that's how to draw trend lines on Bitfinex.